let's see how this goes now. You pull that back seat up, and then this seat comes down. That gives you a fairly roomy little bit of access back here. I don't know why these clothes bags got left in here, but heck, they might be good for something. Be good for laying on the ground on top of the car. I wonder if I can get that in here. Oh, it doesn't hurt to try, does it? Figure out where I can put y'all where you want. I guess I could cut the motor off of here. See. I think I'm gonna go to the house and get my screwdriver gun and my little sockets. I believe I just realized there's a screw there, and there's nothing. There's an opening here, so I believe I can get these sides off of here. Let's do that. By the way, I guess I can say a little bit as we mosey up to the house for me to get my screwdriver gun about the provision of God. I'm a big believer. Well, the Bible says that, I'm trying to think of the verse, but it says that God looks after the needs of people who does His will and are called according to His purpose. Did I say that right? And I found that to be true. The provision of God never ceases to amaze me. Now, here I am. I didn't think I needed a Jeep, but boy, it sure is coming in handy. And then when I needed the Jeep, when I got the Jeep, I didn't think I needed metal for door panels and body panels, but turns out I do. And turns out my neighbor rides up on his tractor and said, hey, I just took a heater out back if you want it for metal. Help yourself. Now that's God. That's God looking after what I need before I even know I need it or ask for it. See, that's what I believe. What is it? God is. I'll think of that Bible verse in a minute, and some of y'all are probably already thinking about it. But it's like God looks after the needs of those who love Him and are called according to His purpose, or something like that. Something like that. Anyway, there's all that. I'm gonna grab my screwdriver gun. We'll go back in and dismantle that thing. And, talk to y'all some more in a little bit. Love you. Bye. I'm going to take that very bottom piece off, but some of the screws are really tight and I can't quite get my screwdriver head on them, so just decided I'd leave it. This right here would make something interesting. It looks kind of like a jet motor, I could see hanging it up, hitting it with a hammer and making it into a bell, or who knows. Interesting metal though. I expect it'll bring a good price at the scrap yard. I'll take that little bit of galvanized that's sitting there too. I might remove that. Might find a use for it. A couple of wheels. All good metal. What we use, what we don't, we can bring back.